My project is how can a hydraulic jack lift 6 tons. A hydraulic jack is used in the real world to lift up cars when they have a flat tire. My project demonstrates how a hydraulic jack uses two mechanical advantages, allowing you to lift something heavy with just a little bit of force. A hydraulic jack uses two mechanical advantages, a lever arm and a hydraulic system. For the hydraulic system, we had large syringes and small syringes. We started out with the large syringe, and we had 500 grams on top of the ram. We would then add weight to the pump until it would lift the 500 grams on the ram. We did that 3 times. After we did that, we would then switch out for a smaller syringe, and then we would do the same process where we would add weight onto the pump until it would lift the 500 grams on the ram. After we did that to all 4 different syringes, we then calculated with equations found online how much it should have taken to lift the 500 grams with the surface area of the different cylinders. For the lever arm, we kept the largest cylinder the same on the ram. We also kept the 500 grams the same on the ram. I then took a wooden dowel and I drilled holes 40 millimeters apart going down the rod. I took a small bucket and I placed it on the hole closest to the pump. I would add weight into the bucket until it lifted 500 grams. We then took the bucket and moved it down each hole, and I would proceed to add weight until it would lift the 500 grams. We did that 3 times for each hole. After I finished seeing how much weight it took on each of the holes to lift the 500 grams, I then calculated how much weight it should have taken with the length of the rod and the 500 grams. After calculating how much weight it should have taken, I then decided to find out how much each mechanical advantage was. I used equations online and found out that the lever arm had a mechanical advantage of 10, and that the hydraulic system had a mechanical advantage of 1.5. I then multiplied the 10 from the lever arm and the 1.5 from the hydraulic system together to get the total mechanical advantage of 15.